Welcome again, our students. In this video, we are going to talk about the Petra Museum. Open your activity book at page 55 in exercise 5. Read and complete. Then, you should use these words to complete the sentences about the museum. I am doing a project about the collection of objects in the Petra Museum. People lived in this city 6,500 years ago. The Romans came here 2,000 years ago. Today, there are more than 600 objects in the museum. We have some questions about this paragraph. Okay? When did people live in Petra? People lived in this city 6,500 years ago. How many objects do we have in the museum? There are more than 600 objects in the museum. In the first room of the museum, there is a collection of statues. These are my favorite statues. They are made of stone. I think they are very beautiful. There is a collection of pots too. These bottles and pools are made of clay, and they are very heavy. They are about 2,000 years old. There are jugs made of clay too. In the past, people used these jugs to carry water. They put olives in jugs too. So, we have some questions about this paragraph, okay? Number 1. What are the statues made of? They are made of stone. Number 2. What are the jugs made of? They are made of clay. What does the pronoun they refer to? They refer to people. Why did people use these jugs? They used these jugs to carry water and put olives in jugs too. In the third room, there are smaller objects. Smaller objects. It's an adjective, okay? This is a collection of coins. نقود. These coins are small and round, and they are made of metal. Now, let's answer the question number 6 together. Read and circle yes or no. Number 1. People lived in Petra 6,500 years ago. Yes. There are 2,000 objects in the Petra Museum. No. There are more than 600 objects in the museum. Number 3. The bottles and pools are made of clay. Yes. In the past, people put olives in the clay pools. No, in the clay jugs. No. There is a collection of coins in the museum. Not toys. We have a collection of coins, not toys. Okay? So, no. The answer is no. In exercise 7, page 56, you are going to listen, write, and say. I just remind you, where should we use a comma and full stop? We use a comma to separate two things in a list, okay? Then we use a full stop at the end of sentence. Number 1. There is a bottle, comma, jug, a jug, and a spoon. Full stop. There is a vase, comma, a knife, and a plate. Full stop. There is a pool, comma, a spoon, and a jug. Full stop. In exercise 8, we are going to look at these pictures, then write a description. Number 1, you should use the words from this box. Okay? Number 1, this is a spoon. This is a spoon. It's made of wood. Number 2, these are bottles. Number 2, these are bottles. They are made of plastic.